Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, I think we've got the shortest Jayco Eagle Jayco makes. This is a 2026 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 230 MLCS. So let's get started. Length on this Eagle is 27 feet 8 inches. The dry weight is 6,575 pounds. That hitch weight is 795 with a GVWR of 8,400 pounds.
Okay, wow, I think this is even shorter than ours. That's amazing. And we're going to start right up here at the front. You are going to have a power tongue jack on this one, and of course your propane bottles will go under the cover. Your batteries are going to mount right back there. Now on your pass-through, of course your connections are here, and of course this is being Jayco. You are going to have the 3-stage water filter already in place in this one. Nice finished out area. And let's see, yeah, you are going to have
Spare is under here.
yeah, electric stabilizers too, and there's looks like there's your freshwater pool.
Freshwater, yep.
Alright, let's go on down. Alright, looks like your tanks are going to be back there. Yeah. Alright, here's your dump area. And then your pools are actually under the slide. So, that could be difficult when you get set up, but keep that in mind. You do have a sewer caddy under there. Looking at the back, you've got a ladder to access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera and
Tankless water heater.
it is white, so that it actually blends in with your camper. Really nice. Down here you are going to have a receiver hitch for an accessory rack, not for towing. Coming down your campside, your J-port will slide right in there for your grill, and then your quick connect is going to be underneath. They do put your speakers down low where they actually make sense.
Goodness, it's loud out here.
It is loud. We are right next to the highway, so it's a little bit trafficy.
I don't know.
I don't think that's a word. High traffic today. He didn't give me the awning length, but you do have a very nice
19 feet.
19 feet. So power awning with a light. Let's look at the other side of this pass-through storage and go inside where hopefully it will be a little bit
quieter. My goodness.
Yeah. So yeah, here's the other side of your pass-through storage. Nicely done.
And it'd probably be louder without these little mics.
Yep, and you are going to have a spot here for a TV if you want to bring it outside. Alright, let's go in and take a look at this one. Like Jeremy said, this is the shortest Eagle travel trailer that you're going to find. So if you are
Oh yeah, it's quieter.
much quieter in here. So if you're starting out or you're wanting to downsize to something, you might want to check this one out because it would be a good one to look at. It is going to have a queen size north-south bed. Of course, you do have some storage underneath. Let me give you some goodies in there.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me, folks. As you can see, Jayco does not do heating in the floor. It's going to be there in the cabinetry. Going to have some storage across the top. Now that is a little bit narrow.
That
so,
is.
But now you got hanging on the side and these cool angled drawers. So you've got that on both sides. Also, on each side is going to be these cubbies back here with power and then USB and C. And then there is another little storage nook right up there at the headboard. Blackout shades all the way around. Now on your windshield here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there is a little notch right down there that you will attach the blind to when you pull it down. Alright.
Sorry, I had to slam the door.
Turning around, you do have theater seats here, and this is going to give you cloth seats instead of I won't even call them leather. They're usually pleather.
Pleather. Good old pleather.
Yeah. Storage right there in the middle. Now these little tables, of course, just fit down in the cup holders and they will remove if you don't want them. So this does recline. But now if I move this out of the way and take a seat. Oh my goodness. Is that a 40-inch TV?
I think so.
All right. So you're going to be looking at your 40-inch TV. It is just a little bit high.
Yep.
But it's really not that bad because once you get reclined and get all comfortable, it's going to be just right. Now there is storage on both sides of that.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have a nice big window here above your dinette so that you can look out while you're sipping your coffee in the morning. Or I have become addicted to iced coffee, so now I would be sitting there with my iced coffee.
Cool.
I don't know why, but I like it. Like all dinettes, this will make an additional sleeping area, so if you've got kids with you, this will be a great spot for them. Moving on down. Right here is going to be your pantry area. So they actually give you split doors on it, so you have a top and a bottom. You do have fuses down here, and again, heating is in the cabinetry. Now, this being an Eagle, you are going to have the whisper quiet air, so you don't have the great big square AC unit that you're used to seeing.
We actually got a comment years ago and said, what's that mean?
Well, basically that's what it means. You don't have the great big square that your AC unit is all mounted on top, and you're going to have the vents. So there's one there, and then it is ducted throughout.
Yeah.
Yes. I sort of know what I'm talking about.
Sounds good to me.
Sometimes. This is going to give you a 12-volt compressor fridge right here. You do have some storage up above. This is a good sized microwave, but no, this is an Eagle, so that's why. They're going to give you a bigger microwave. You do have the nicer 3-burner cooktop and with a little bit bigger oven in it. This being Eagle, you're also going to get solid surface countertops. So you've got the great space here and 3 drawers, and those just keep on coming out. Those are long drawers.
Okay.
And then at the back is where your sink is. Big storage area up above. Another nice window that's going to open from air if you need it. There's your storage underneath your sink, and you got 2 more drawers.
There we go.
Yeah. And again, solid surface at the back, and this is going to give you what we like to call the swanky sink. So you do have your glass washer and your soap dispenser and high-rise faucet in here.
I didn't get the plunger. I don't know if this is going to get it or not.
Yeah, the shower I think is going to knock it out because it's only 24 inches
wide.
deep and 40. Yeah, it's
24 by 40.
Yeah, that's kind of narrow. It does give you a skylight though, so you're going to have some pretty good headroom. And if you really want to know, you can put a shower seat in here. However, I don't think you're going to have a whole lot of room for one. Nice space around the sink. So you got some storage there. Do you have the medicine cabinet? Tissue holders already in place. Got some open storage underneath that. And the linen closet, you're going to have to roll your towels to get them in there. So I'm going to say this one does not get the plunger, but this is a small Eagle. So
the only reason I'm not going to give it is because the shower's just not wide enough.
It's just not quite big enough.
Yeah.
But again, for a solo camper or a couple who still wants a high-end travel trailer without a whole lot of room, this is a great one.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.